Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the Raspberry Pi OS on the Raspberry Pi. For this tutorial you'll need one micro SD card and a adapter to plug it into your computer, one Raspberry Pi, one monitor, it can be a regular desktop monitor too, one keyboard and mouse, one micro HDMI cable and one USB-C power cable. First, plug the micro SD card into the adapter and plug the adapter into your computer. On your computer, open your web browser and go to this website. Scroll a bit and click on the Download for Windows button to download the software. Then open the downloaded software. Go ahead and install the software. Click on Finish. Okay, so now you can choose the OS you want to use. Click on Choose OS and select Raspberry Pi OS. Next, click on Choose Storage and select your micro SD card. Click on Write to start the writing process. Choose Yes. When you see this screen, the micro SD card is ready and can be unplugged from your computer. You can close the software. Now take your Raspberry Pi and plug the micro SD card into the slot on the back. Connect the keyboard and mouse to the Raspberry Pi. I am using a wireless combo. Next, connect the Raspberry Pi to the monitor with the micro HDMI cable. Then connect the power cable to the Raspberry Pi. Plug the power cable into the outlet to boot up the Pi. Do nothing when you see this screen. The Raspberry Pi is booting up. Click on Next. Here you can set the country, language and time zone. Click on Next when done. Now input your desired username and password and click on Next. You can set up a Wi-Fi network, but I'll skip this for now to keep this video as short as possible. Since I didn't choose to set up Wi-Fi, I can't update the software, so I'll click on Skip. Click on Restart to restart the Pi. You now see the desktop of the Raspberry Pi OS. This means you have successfully installed it and are ready to begin making some awesome projects. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.